Now everyone get your mathematics copy and write down today's date 24/8/2021 on the left corner. So today we are going to write reverse counting. What we are going to write? We are going to write reverse counting. So come on, get your copy and write down the date. Yes, you can write down the date. Huh? You can write na date. Don't allow your mama to write for you. The date is 24/8/2021. You have to write down the date. Why 8 is written here? Because August is the 8th month of the year. Date में हम लोग 8 क्यों लिखते हैं? Because August is the 8th month of year. That's why we had written 8 instead of August. Lokendra, if you want to sit in the class, you should switch on your camera. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you. Yes. Chalo. So in maths, write down the date first. Okay. Reverse counting. What we are going to do? We are going to write reverse counting from 10 to 1. Revision. Okay. Almost we had completed all of our course for this term. So we are doing the revision part. Okay, mothers? Almost all the part of second term is completed now. So we are going to do the revision. Chalo. So what we are going to write? Reverse counting. Ten to 1. So you all have to write reverse counting at least 4 times. Okay? Write the reverse counting in your copy at least 4 times. Chalo. First of all, अच्छा, you tell me what ma'am used to say every time. आपको मैम हमेशा क्या कहती हैं? That first of all you have to read and then you start writing. आपको पहले हर चीज को read करना है. First of all, you have to read each and everything whatever you are writing. And then start writing. Okay? Chalo, read. 10, 9, then 8, say and write. 7, 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this is reverse counting. So you have to write reverse counting at least 4 times in your copy. Say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What is this? Reverse counting, backward counting means ulti counting. Read and write. Read and write. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on, write down the reverse counting. Get your literacy workbook. Open page number 4949. Okay, listen, I am writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. Okay? In a case of any problem, you kindly see there. Here, you have to look at the picture and you have to complete the word. आपको यहाँ picture देखना है और word को complete करना. You have to look at the picture and complete the word. ठीक है? चलो. Now, what is the first picture? The first picture is of hen. Hen. So H is written after H, E. You have to write E. Hen. H dash N. So hen लिखने के लिए we have to write E here. H E N hen. H E N hen. Now the next one is pet. Pet. Pet मतलब पालतू जो होते हैं. Pet. P dash T. So what we have to write? अगर pet होता तो we have to write A here. But वो न क्या है? Pet. So we have to write E. Pet. Pet. The next one is, look at the picture in your book. The next one is the picture of leg. Leg. L dash G. So what we have to write? E. L-E-G. Leg. Again, I am repeating the difference between A and E. Whenever we say a word with A sound, तो हम पूरा मुंह खोलते हैं, like this. And when we are using E, so we say the sound like this. और ये फर्क है E and A में. The next one is bed. B dash D. Bed. So we have to write E. अगर हम बोलते बैट बैट तो हम ए लगाते, बट हमने क्या बोला? बेड. Okay, remember that. In this way you have to differentiate between A sound and E sound words. The next one is wet. Wet. W dash T. So क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? W dash T. What is going to come? E. W E T. Wet. Wet मतलब गीला होना. Wet. Then the next is den. Den is the home of lion. Lion का घर होता है den. The dash N. D dash N. So the N. Den. Yes, Puneet, go. Den is the home of lion. We had learned in our awareness skill book na regarding animals and their home. तो lion का home क्या है? Den. गुफा. Now the next one is net. N dash T. No to net. No to NET net. N says na, E says T says ta. No to net. Always try to read the word using the phonic sound. आपको हमेशा phonic sound से ही read करना है. Always you have to try to read the word with using phonic sound. After net, what is the picture? The picture is of pen. P dash N. So, pen. Now, what is going on in the class? Huh? Parishi? Go. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Pen. देखो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. अगर यहाँ पर वी आर सेइंग पैन, अगर हम बोल रहे होते पैन, सो वी हैव टू राइट ए हियर. पैन. बट व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट? पेन. सो वी हैड रिटन, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैड रिटन ई हियर. पेन, क्योंकि ई को हम खींचते नहीं है. पेन. Yes, ma'am. The last one is R-T. So what is the picture? The picture is of red color, है ना? So we have to write E here. Red. Red. देखो हमारा मुंह नहीं खुल रहा है पूरा. Red. है ना? So that's why E is here. Red. Done? Bye. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. See you in the next class. We'll continue the rhyme tomorrow. Okay? Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.